Hello students, so today I'm going to start with the chapter cell, and this is very important as well as this is the easiest chapter, and this chapter comes in class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and continue in bachelor's and master's too. So if we'll talk about biology, cell is a very important chapter as well as the easiest too. So we'll start. As you know, as you can see here, the unit of life. Cell is the unit of life. And why this is unit of life? Because it is the smallest part in any living being. Any living being means if we are talking about amoeba, if we are talking about plant, if we are talking about human being, any animal on this planet or plant or any creature that is made up of cell. That's why cell is the unit of life. Okay, so next. Okay, let's start with the plasma membrane, and this is the first topic of chapter cell. Now let me draw here a diagram of cell. See, this is a simple diagram of cell that is given by Robert Hooke, and it's a structure of honeycomb, right? So inside cell there is a nucleus and one jelly-like material, that is here jelly-like substance, that is known as cytoplasm. Now you can see कि एक रूम है, उस रूम के अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें रखी हैं. अब अगर रूम के अंदर बाउंड्री ना हो तो इजीली बाहर बहुत सारे बर्ड्स हैं, एनिमल्स हैं, वो एंटर कर सकते हैं और जितना भी सामान आपके रूम के अंदर है उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं, राइट? इसीलिए आपने देखा होगा कि हमारे घर में बाउंड्री होती है एज वेल एज हमारे घर के अंदर हमारे रूम, किचन, ड्राइंग रूम and washroom, everything is differentiated by walls and that is a kind of membrane जो उसे separate करने का काम करती है और differentiate करने का भी करती है. तो ऐसे ही हमारी जो living body है, उस living body के अंदर भी जो smallest unit है cell, उसकी एक बाउंड्री है and the name of that boundary is plasma membrane and it is very delicate, microscopic और as I said कि ये external environment से content को separate करने का काम करेगी. Okay, so that's why it is known as plasma membrane. So now the question is, now there is one more thing, that it is selectively permeable membrane. What is the meaning of selectively? Like if I'll talk about your home, तो आपके घर में कोई भी enter नहीं कर सकता है, right? Selected person ही आपके घर के अंदर enter करते हैं, like your parents, your friends, मीन्स जिनको आप जानते हो. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि कोई भी आया और आपके घर के अंदर एंटर करेगा, नहीं. तो सेलेक्टेड लोग एंटर करेंगे. ऐसे ही जो सेल है उसके अंदर भी सेलेक्टेड मटेरियल एंटर करता है. दैट्स व्हाई प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन इज अ सेलेक्टिवली परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन. नाउ नेक्स्ट कि जो वॉल्स है आपके घर में वो बनी है ईट, सीमेंट, राइट? तो ये प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन भी किसी चीज से बनी है एंड द नेम ऑफ दैट थिंग इज बाइलिपिड लेयर एंड प्रोटीन. I will explain in my next video complete about this bilipid layer and protein. But for now, you have to learn that plasma membrane is made up of bilipid layer and protein. Now I think आप सब easily functions बता सकते हैं. Please comment में functions अपने आप लिखिए as you can see, और आपके mind में भी आ रहे होंगे. आप shape of the content of cell और mechanical barrier के अलावा भी बहुत सारे functions लिख सकते हैं plasma membrane के, right? Now next thing is osmosis. Osmosis I will explain in my next slides or videos because it's a big topic. So osmosis, yes, osmosis भी plasma membrane का एक function है, okay? So here is the structure of cell membrane as you can see, and this is an animal cell. And you can see nucleus as well. Nucleus is always present in the center in animals, okay? and this boundary is known as cell membrane, and this one organelle is known as mitochondria, and liquid present inside the cell. Can you tell me guys what's the name of that liquid that is present inside the cell? Because मैंने आपको previous video में बताया था कि cell के अंदर एक liquid jelly like substance होता है जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Write in a comment. Okay, and now here is the structure of home as well. So I am comparing this cell with the home. Now let's learn more about few functions of cell. Here is the first function: help in packaging the organelles of the cell in organized manner. Now you can see structure of a room as well as cell. Cell के अंदर बहुत सारे organelles हैं, and the name of these organelles, like this is nucleus, this is mitochondria, cytoplasm, Golgi bodies. So these organelles present inside the plasma membrane. Okay, अब same ऐसे ही ये room है, और इस in wall के अंदर you can see TV, sofa, chair, table, बहुत सारी चीजें present हैं. अब ये सारी चीजें, इनको पैक करने का काम, इनको अरेंज करने का काम हम कैसे करते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ वॉल्स. अगर वॉल नहीं होंगी तो हम डिसाइड ही नहीं कर पाएंगे कहाँ रखे कहाँ ना रखे, और कहीं भी रख दो, राइट? इसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. लेकिन यहाँ वॉल की वजह से हम इजीली ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं सब चीजों को. सो you can write one more function: help in packaging the organelles of the cell in organized manner. Next function is separates the component inside the cell from neighboring cells. As you can see the structure of home, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं एक room है, ये another room, and this is the washroom. So all three are separated, और ये सब separate किसकी वजह से है? Just because of walls. So same like this, हमारी body में बहुत सारी cells present है. I mean multicellular organism जितने भी हैं उनके अंदर more than one cell है. तो वो सारी cells कैसे separate होती हैं? Just because of this boundary, and the name of this boundary is known as plasma membrane. As you can see, it is semi-permeable membrane. Semi means half, permeable means permission, okay, permeability. So here only selected material can go inside the cell, other cannot. Same like you can enter into your home, not in another's home without their permission. So next function is that it is semi-permeable. Plasma membrane allows the exchange of only specific substance between differentiated cells and the environment. Means selected material can go inside and other cannot. Specific material means toxic substance cannot enter inside the cell, because if toxic substance enter into the cell, then cell will die. Here is one more example ताकि आपको अच्छे से समझ में आए. Like you can see there is a big hole here and there is a small hole. तो small hole में cat easily enter कर सकती है because वो उसका घर है और उसके according gate है, right? ऐसे ही dog भी easily अपने घर के अंदर enter कर सकता है because वो उसके according fit है. But as you can see, elephant and camel, they cannot enter into these holes. So you can write that big particles cannot enter into plasma membrane as it is semi-permeable membrane, and selected material can go inside the plasma membrane. Now you can see composition of cell membrane. Composition of cell membrane: cell is made up of carbohydrate, phospholipid, integral protein and peripheral protein. Means there are two type of protein present in the cell. एक जो पूरा tunnel protein है जो दोनों membrane को cover करेगा, means bilipid layer को, and एक protein है जो सिर्फ एक layer पे ही present होगा, either here or here. So that is known as peripheral protein. And bilipid phospholipid layer means one is here, another is here. That's why biphospholipid layer. And some cholesterol and carbohydrate particles also present in the composition of cell membrane. Now let's recapitulate the cell membrane. As you all know, cell is surrounded by a cell membrane that is also known as plasma membrane. And cell membrane protect the cell from the outer environment. Cell membrane gives structure, shape to the cell. And if you like this session, please like and comment. And please let me know about more topics जिन पे आपको bio की videos चाहिए, any specific topic from class 5th onwards to you can write 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and so on, graduations, masters, any topic. Please let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much.